How can I be informed when a new task has been created? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new task in Google Tasks. Then we'll be sending the details of that task as an email in Gmail. Let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be new task to send email. And our trigger is going to be in Google Tasks. And the event is going to be new task. We're going to make sure we're connected to our Google account. If you have any issues signing in to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. Click continue. The task list that I want this workflow to monitor is my tasks. I'm going to test my trigger. So we have a new task. It's information about a fire drill that's coming up. So we can use that to build our workflow. I'm going to click continue here. And for our action step, we're going to select Gmail. And the event is going to be send email. For the to, I want to send this email to myself. So I'll go ahead and put in my email address. I could BCC or CC somebody if I wanted to. I'm going to leave those blanks for this workflow. The subject is going to be new task. So every time there's a new task created, I'll receive an email with that subject line. And then the body I'm going to pull from the trigger. So we'll find the name of the task, a colon, hit enter, the notes, which are the details about the task, enter, and the due date, which is the day the task is going to happen on. Then I'll click continue, and I'll test this action. And we have a success. So I can go check my inbox. And now we have that new task email with the name of the task, the notes about the task, and the date of the task. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can go back to the workload editor and check and make sure there's a green dot in each of my nodes. And then I can activate my workflow. And now whenever I have a new task created in this specific task list, the details of that task will be sent as an email in Gmail. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that sends new Google Tasks as emails in Gmail. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.